Hey everyone, check out the MONOZEL Handheld Vacuum Cordless, a powerful car vacuum cleaner with a brushless motor. It delivers an impressive 15,000 pascals strong suction to easily pick up dirt, dust, and pet hair. This vacuum features a bright LED light to help you clean even in dark spaces. Its Type-C charging port ensures fast and convenient recharging anywhere you go. The package includes 2 filters, making maintenance simple and keeping performance optimal. Lightweight and portable, this vacuum is perfect for home, car, and pet cleaning tasks. Experience efficient and hassle-free cleaning with this versatile handheld vacuum. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.